6:15 weather with meteorologist Deidre Tate.
We are smiling because it is almost Thanksgiving, our favorite holiday.
Mine, for sure.
No, mine for real.
You don't get,
No matter the weather, you just eat more and you're warmer.
I was going to say, you don't get this weight without having a lot of food in your system.
No, I'm not even messing with you today, Dee. Our friends, some are staying here, some are hitting the road, but what they need to know is what the weather will be come the next couple of days.
Yeah, actually, today is getting better. And for those folks that left out this morning, I'm sure they had a time or two trying to deal with the wet roadways, but at least this morning we are off to a pretty good start. We're looking pretty good out there, so just make sure that you keep the umbrella handy if you're going to be out and about for the rest of the afternoon, as we do have, again, just a few showers showing up. As you can see, we have some showers that are now rolling in from the Gulf of Mexico. Biola Battery, heads up, Dauphin Island, you're dealing with some wet weather. And as you make your way north of the interstate here, we're going to continue with a few light showers. We have some around McIntosh, also a light shower or two around Uniform that's going to quickly move out over the next, let's say, 15 minutes or so. And that's pretty much it for now. But again, we do have a chance for more wet weather before the day is done. As far as temperatures, it's 50 in Mobile, it's 52 in Pensacola, down to 47 right now in Evergreen. And we have a wind out of the north for the most part for most areas. And so it's giving us a bit of a wind chill, making it feel a bit colder than the actual temperature. As far as your weather headlines, the cold air is settling in. And as we head on into tonight, again, a few more showers will be possible. And then from that point, we're going to have to deal with a Thanksgiving freeze. Let's go ahead and talk about that. Here's like a pinpoint predictor giving us an estimate of where temperatures could be tomorrow morning. And here's the view at around 9 o'clock or so. We're going to have to deal with some temperatures in the 30s. Keep in mind the wind is still going to be breezy to a little windy at times, and so that's going to give us a wind chill. So it's going to feel colder than the actual temperature. So just be prepared for that. And then by Thanksgiving morning, here's an estimate at about 6 o'clock in the morning. Notice how we have widespread 20s. This is not counting the fact that with the little wind we're expecting, it's going to make it feel much colder. So again, plan for the chill if you're going to be out and about on Thanksgiving morning. Let's talk about the rain. As we head towards 5 o'clock, again, a few scattered showers possible. All of this was due to an area of low pressure in the Gulf that's now making its way inland. There are two components to this. We have an upper level low affiliated with it, and as that moves through, as we head towards late tonight, early on Wednesday morning, here's the view at about 2 a.m. or so. Notice how we get some blue shading here. Conditions could be right for maybe some rain mixing with some wintry precipitation. Nothing that'll stick, but again, that is a slight chance. So we're going to be watching that. Quickly, though, it moves towards the east. So by Wednesday morning, cloudy skies, but eventually by, let's say, mid-morning or at least lunchtime, we're expecting full sunshine across the area. Beautiful day. It's just going to be on the colder side, courtesy of that wind and then that north wind ushering in that colder air. So don't expect to really get out of the 40s for your Wednesday. And again, as we head into our Thursday, starting with 20s, eventually, though, the afternoon will be a little bit warmer. So here's the setup for tonight. We're expecting widespread 30s. We'll go with 35 for Daphne, 39 for Fody, with about the 30% chance for some late night showers. As you head north of the interstate, make sure you continue to tune into the forecast tonight because you could have a wintry mix of sorts. We're going to be watching that, about a 40% chance of rain, nonetheless, with those temperatures flirting with the freezing mark. As we head into the Florida Panhandle here, we're going to continue with some cold weather. Temperatures dipping into the mid to upper 30s. We'll go with 40, though, for a little in Pensacola, 37 for Crestview, and about a 20% chance for a shower. And then as we head into Mississippi, we'll go with about a 30% chance for some late night showers for you, and temperatures eventually falling into the mid 30s here as well. So here's your 7-day. That 66 was the high this morning. Temperatures have fallen since then. About a 40% chance of rain for the rest of the day. Tomorrow, much colder, only highs in the 40s. As we head towards Thanksgiving morning, waking up to 20s. By Black Friday morning, sub-freezing temperatures to bundle up for shopping, but we moderate the temperatures for Iron Bowl weekend. Kelly?